rock hounding, YouTubing, bird watching, is it compatible? Recently I was out on the Berlin Mudflats and I had my binoculars hanging from my neck. I'm filming with my GoPro and I've got my camera out as well, trying to take pictures of birds that I saw. It's like everything is banging together and I'm just thinking, oh, maybe I'm trying to do too much. Maybe I'm not so good at multitasking. Maybe not as good as I thought I was. But you be the judge whether you can do all three of these things at the same time. And this is mostly rock hounding, so please enjoy. Today I'm out in the Berlin Mudflats. I'm proving to myself that birding and rock hounding can go together. And so here I am. It's kind of a cool little sedimentary rock. I like that. And here's a beautiful piece of quartz. I like that quartz. That's probably quartz too, but my grandkids would call that a cheese rock. And I'm not taking anything with me. I'm just picking things up, looking at them, throwing them down. I don't know if it's legal to do any rock picking here. I know it's okay to bird watch. You know, I'm not going to take anything with me because, for one thing, I have a whole bunch of stuff already and I don't need to just add more to my collection. But the other thing is, when in doubt, throw it out. When in doubt, don't do it. Because it certainly isn't worth it. You find a lot of these nice little quartz pebbles in this area of Ohio because it's all eroded out of the Appalachian Mountains. Kind of, you know, this is the doorway to the Appalachian Mountains. All these little quartz pebbles, they have eroded out of the Sharon conglomerate. You also find a lot of these iron concretions here, like this. Okay, this doesn't really trip my trigger, but it's already broken apart and apparently no fossil inside. Okay, there's a nice piece of, I'm guessing, pink granite. It's beautiful. It's the kind of stuff I'd probably take home, except I'm not taking anything home today. I hear a bird. Get on Merlin. See if we can get an ID. Probably not, there's a lot of traffic noise. Says it's a Carolina wren. And I don't doubt it. That's interesting. All right, we've got some kind of a gull flying around there. So a little bit of birding action. Another nice rock. Lots of brave animals. And that is a big deer right there. That's a big one. Cutting across there. Grass is always green on the other side of the river, the mud flat. Some nice rocks here. Sedimentary for the most part. Nice piece of granite. I like it. Look at that beauty. Ooh, ooh. Nice. You can make a nice landscaping project out of some of these. Another nice piece of granite. Okay, my guess is quartzite on this one. Very dense. Quartz with some mica in it. Very nice. Very eroded sandstone. I like finding this kind of stuff where the rock is split. Gonna see what's inside. If anything. That's very interesting. I like the looks of that. I'd like to take you home, but I can't. A lot of this kind of a red quartzite material. This looks like dirt. It's hard. Not conchoidal fracturings, so it isn't chert. Some more of that red quartzite material. Yeah, I like that stuff. Haha, yes, this is kind of what I've been waiting for. See all those little pieces of quartz in there? This is a piece of the Sharon conglomerate right out here in the mudflats. Look at that. That is, it's got a certain beauty to it. I know it can be kind of ugly, but it is beautiful to me. We'll leave it here. Ooh, that's some pretty nice granitoid there. There's a lot of feldspar in it, at least that I can see. And then there's quartz in there. It's a pretty piece. We'll leave it right here. Who would not like that? There's mica in there. There's quartz in there. That red, what do you suppose that is? Rhyolite? No, feldspar for sure there. You can see it now. That's a pretty rock. Yeah. Just gonna stay right here. I like that though. Whew. And there's a lot of cool stuff here. Is that anything? Nah. Is that anything? Nah. Are these anything? Nah. What are the Berlin Mudflats? They're overflow from Berlin Lake. And the Army Corps of Engineers figured all this out as far as how much water needs to be where. And in the meantime, the birds love the place. Rockhounds could too.